Welcome to another layover, everyone. I'm in Zurich in Switzerland for 24 hours, so let's explore.
Hi everyone, my name is Marie and I'm from beautiful Eastern Canada. I explore and travel the world by myself or with friends to escape the 9 to 5. Make sure to subscribe and come along on this journey as we discover the most amazing places the world has to offer.
Now I'm just having a stroll in the old part of town. I booked something. It's a boat tour / gondola, so I have maybe an hour to walk around before I have to go to the meeting point for that. So I'm just exploring the old town.
Zurich, all right. We have the main river, the Limmat, flowing out of the lake, and it eventually flows into the Aare River, which flows into the Rhine River, which has its delta in the north to the North Sea. Then here we have the HB. This is the main train station. This is kind of like the main shopping mile. Maybe you've heard of it, the Bahnhofstraße or the train station street. And then across the river, you can see the symbol of Zurich, the main church called the Grand Minster or the Großminster.
I've seen a lot of fountains over the city and it's all drinkable water. It's one of the two main reasons why Zurich is one of the most livable city in the world, because of the water. Alright, so I went inside and asked what their most popular one was, and they said the champagne truffle. So I got the dark chocolate one and the milk one. The difference was it's not made with milk powder but with rich cream, so highly recommend. Super good. I'm just sitting by the water and there's a couple of swans. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, there's one right here. Just chilling. Very pretty here in Zurich. I like it. Taking the ferry. As part of our tour, we just took a cable car up a mountain and we're gonna get some great views of Zurich, Lake Zurich, and the town that's on the other side. I can't pronounce it, so I'll just write it down at the bottom for you. At the very top you'll find a cafe and I'm gonna get a drink because I'm thirsty. It's a 5-minute walk from the cable car to the cafe, but it's a nice nature walk in between. It's very peaceful here, surrounded by nature. Got myself an apple shortly. Don't know what that is. I think it's like fizzy apple juice. That's what it tastes like. Fizzy apple juice. Not bad. My last mission in Zurich is to find myself some cheese fondue.
cheese fondue for the win! So I took the moitié-moitié. So good. So moitié-moitié means half and half. It is made with Gruyère and vacherin. Delicious. And the place I'm at is called Swiss Chuchi. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.